the longest walk of shame I think I've ever done. I even went to the beach and I'm just coming back now to the supermarket because I have no food. And this is what I'm wearing. So I just went to the supermarket to get some stuff to eat, some salad. I even got some flour. So I think I'm gonna make for myself salmon. Because I haven't really eaten anything yet. We were at the beach. I had a swim. I mean, to be fair, we did eat a plate of pasta, which I didn't even eat really the pasta. I just had like 3 penis and the tuna and stuff, and that was in the middle of the night at like 5 in the morning. So it hasn't been that long, but still I'm pretty hungry by now because it's now 6 p.m. Crystal clear, the water is amazing. Good morning. So I'm just coming out of the villa and we're gonna go to Caravadella, which is just 5 minutes walk away. That way. Need to have a coffee. I have a bit of a headache because I was having dreams one next to another. And because I'm trained to remember my dreams, what happens is that after every dream I tend to wake up and be like remembering it and analyzing it. And I don't even sometimes remember them in the morning so much, but I remember the feeling, and more than anything, I'm aware if there's been an issue. So if I have a dream and it's a difficult one or important, or I know, or premonitory, that I know that it's affecting my life in a really big way, then I'll write it down or I'll remember. But if I don't remember, it usually means that it's just either that I didn't know how to interpret it or that it's not important. This is Caravadella. Look how empty it is in the morning. It's not even that early, it's already 11. Because I had to take a shower and then I did my meditation. So I wasn't trying to get here early at all, but it's super peaceful.